couldn't go to work today because freaking the weather is terrible. It's like icy everywhere. I didn't know I was going to go outside to try to fix the dryer vent thing for my wife. And she told me to be careful when I went out there, and I didn't do it. So this is what I saw on the doorbell cam. Pretty embarrassing, but funny at the same time. This is why you don't go to work when it's icy outside. Check this out. This was me 2 minutes ago. Boom! Busted my ass. Everything is like covered in ice. And I like how my wife just kind of waltzed out there and was like, "Are you okay?" But that's why I didn't go to work today. Catch you guys in the next video. Absolutely insane.